Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable head gestures on the AirPods on iOS 26 device. So firstly we need to enter settings. Here, as you can see, I'm here right now, but we have to open the settings menu for our AirPods, and here we have to find the option which is called the head gestures. It's somewhere here. We have to tap that and enable this using just a simple tap. Here, the most basic ones without any latest things, we have accept and reply, decline and dismiss. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.